back to Wieczorek Farms. It has been a busy last few days, and it's only going to get busier as the week goes out. It's easier for me to post every day's videos at the moment because I know in a few weeks we are going to do a little bit of things different. Starting after Thanksgiving, we are going to integrate to a 2-video week, Tuesdays and maybe Friday or Saturday drop. Gonna just keep it to 2 videos a week unless something really exciting happens, or there will be a weekly drop for Diamond's owner for her videos, so you'll see those kind of come into play. And I'm hoping to get back riding more with Leo too as the days kind of slow down. Right now we are utilizing every bit of the sunshine and trying to get things just caught up, from the cattle side of things to fencing. We still need to winterize equipment and put some of that away. At the end of season, we just it was calling for rain that last few days, so we just busted butt and put everything in barn space. So now we need to kind of clean that up and rearrange. And now that the hay barns are starting to get a little bit more emptier as hay goes out, we can put them away correctly. So lots of moving parts. I'm walking, Ryder and I are. You guys see me do a lot of walking. It's kind of my thing. It's silly to drive the 1/4 mile between houses. Jason's parents and us, our alfalfa field, split it. So I call that the homestead quite a bit. If you guys hear me talking about that, that's that. The shop is another project the guys have been working on, getting it cleaned out and organized for the addition whenever that happens. COVID kind of slowed that whole process down the last few months, unfortunately, but there's nothing we can do. I'm just very thankful and blessed that we live in the real community that thankfully we have been able to live our lives just as we always have. So many things to be thankful for, especially as we remember going into Thanksgiving next week. Life keeps going on the farm. We just have to kind of learn to adapt and make changes, and that's just part of it. Do what you can and pray and go on. Get down here and feed the boys and check for Rocky, who keeps escaping out of the dry lot. Morning, boys. Leo, are you ready to have some breakfast? Scooter, I gotta take your fan down today. I don't think we need it anymore. What do you think, buddy? Maybe we'll go ride. Yeah? Go chase some cows down? Hey, maybe you just walk beside the cows? Do you like that? What do you think, buddy? Yeah, brushed off, and maybe we'll go for a ride in the morning. Yeah. Jason's got hay to deliver, so maybe I can spend some time with you. You're so fluffy. Hey, are you supposed to be there? Not so much? Are you gonna go back with the girls? Okay, that'd be great if you put yourself away. Thank you. Come here, Ryder. Well, since Rocky's gonna put himself away, I will go down and talk to Diamond and work with her a little bit. Good morning, Diamond. Hey, pretty girl. How you doing? Hi. Yeah. Almost there to come up to the barn, aren't you? Almost. You're getting your woolies too. Your winter woolies. Yeah. So I switched Diamond's feed over. This is just a Purina. It's the same stuff that Leo gets. It's just a professional impact. She's old enough that she can have this kind of stuff. We just introduced her with that Omega 300 when she came to get her used to eating. Come here. Yeah. Come here, pretty girl. Let me sink. I don't have a whole lot of time this morning, so I'm just kind of sitting down, chilling, talking to her a few minutes before I go back up and get busy on the things I really need to get done this morning. Can you get? Good. I don't even see her, do you? Came over to check the cows we moved yesterday. and Ruby, our one lonely cow that's left to calve. We're coming, Ryder, we're coming. They all look happy, don't they?
Gotta be up on this hillside now. This side.
Wait. Ryder. I don't know if I'm short enough or tall enough to do that. I didn't think about that. Nothing yet. It's getting closer though.
Oh, girl.
Hi, ladies. We gotta get some tags.
There's Lucy. Seen it?
He's gonna go move her up there with the rest of them though.
Ryder!
He doesn't like them not being as a herd. They look good over here. They look good here. I hope they fill in this gap with a bunch of manure. It's rough when we hay it. That tan cow down there, she's shedding out, like her color coat's changing. You notice that? She was real rough looking, like her well, she has gained weight, but like that, her fluff this year. Last year she was real kind of a funky tan color, but this year look at how pretty her coat's coming in. Yeah. Just difference in, you know, nutrient value and everything. I mean, smoke cow, she's even like, she almost looks whiter now. Like last year she looked kind of dull. Their coats are looking real. Yeah, and Charlie's starting to darken out. I think they just look shiny. Even as they grow their fluff. I mean, look at the calves' fluff. It doesn't look dull, and nutrients matter. Vitamins matter. Good quality matters. Ruby, can you please get on with the program? So I'm not real sure what today's plan entails. There's several things we could be doing, need to be doing. Jason's also got a load of big straw up after a while. Want to move bulls around. And we're going to vaccine and work those weaned calves and get them back on grass. So, if you guys like today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Can't get any of the cows to say subscribe to the channel, but please, if you like today's video, leave a message. I do read those, and I try really hard to reply back. I did make some changes to the email, so those that email us, you guys have been emailing the farm address. I recently updated that. It'll be in the description. Kayla at chroniclesofthefarmerswife.com. It goes straight to my phone, and I'll be able to see those a lot easier, a lot better, and reply back to y'all sooner. There's the... Okay. Just take it with us. Well, that was really fast. We just ordered this yesterday. So one of the reasons I kind of went with the program with FB and Livestock was because they direct ship. Where we live, we're roughly 45 minutes to the nearest vet's office, give or take. We are also that's like 45 minutes to an hour to a Walmart type thing too. So if I don't have to leave the farm, I'm okay with that. And now I can get all our vaccines and whatnot shipped directly to the farm. How much easier is that? All right, come on, Slayer. Come on. Come on. Come on. Huh? I'll just hold him. Come here. That's good. Another windy day today, but we are getting the bulls moved, so that's another thing on my to-do list this week. Girls are up here waiting, just walking. We made a makeshift alleyway yesterday to move those girls, so I just want to make sure the pie is still up so he can come through here. The girls know something's up. Keep calling him, babies. Keep calling him. What do you think, ladies? Oh, Faith. You know it's a rough life. Come on, Slayer! Come on, Slayer! Here you go! Come on, buddy! Come on, Bull! Come on! Here he comes. This is working so much easier than I anticipated. Come on, Bull! I know, she's ready. They're all ready. What's my plan here? Hurry up! Faith's gonna escape. Cue the music. Love is in the air. I'd say they're in heat.
That was 31. That was the 18. You know that?
Mm-hmm. They're all swarming him. gonna be yep, be a big calf. His nose is all curled up. All right, one down, one to go. Oh, that was Charlie. I'm like, where did that come from?
Charlie was like,
Who was that? Who was that? They all look so good out here.
I mean, we've been around here, what, a day, and you can't even tell where they've been yet.
Mm-mm.
Not really.
Not yet. I would like to put some hay down here in that little, right there you see, because my accumulator gets hung up in that.
Good drink.
Probably. What do you want me to do? Come here. Come here.
As soon as we get him in that paddock, I'm gonna run you over there to that gate and you'll be able to get him in. He should see them girls.
One would think. We're gonna bring you a friend too, girls. So these cows should all be bred except for those ones that we brought in that are first time heifers. So we're just gonna bring a bull to each side. Yeah.
That's good. Don't get all that room.
Go! In! Come on! You're a turd! Go! Here. That's fine. We gotta... That's fine. What time is it, though? Yeah, I'm not walking with him in here. Yeah, well then... I'll stand here and kind of watch the gate. So we are gonna move cows this set. We just want to get Bullet over here first. Come on, Ryder. He's in the middle on, he was on strawberry. Come on, girls! Ryder! Ryder! Come, Ryder! Come on, girls! Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on, Strawberry. Come on, ladies. Come on, girls. Come on. Here it comes. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, old girl. She's probably like the oldest one we have now. She's always the last one. Come here, Ryder. Ryder. Come. Ryder. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Good job. You're such a good boy. Okay, let's go. So leading up to fall breeding, we really haven't done a whole lot different. We don't do any vaccines prior to being bred. We do make sure our mineral program is on top of the game. Previously we used Purina's Available all season mineral along with salt blocks and trace mineral blocks and etc. We're going to be doing a few changes with our vaccine program leading into the quote unquote spring calving cycle. So when we preg check those other girls, we are going to do our vaccine schedule there instead of prior to when we wean those calves off. It's just easier for us to do it that way. The things that we vaccinate for are the any viruses, black leg. We will do pink eye in the spring.
Okay, this is our chicken feed. We are currently gonna push it down because it likes to kick up on the sides. It has corn, calcium, soybeans, oats, and just special alfalfa. And that's good ingredients to make our special chicken feed. We do go to market. Actually, our grandma's at market right now. It's a Thanksgiving market. Joan's pushing feed down because it cakes down up on the edges, and we can't, and it'll hurt our hands if we hit the metal to make it down. Like, share, subscribe to the Chronicles of subscribe to Farmers as Chronicles of Farmers Life.
Yeah, go over there and help Dad. Hustle. Okay. Do you know how many chickens you have?
Like 300 something.
What's your favorite part about the chickens?
Just having I'm thankful that Grandpa got them. That we can have something on that we can do.
That's a good answer. I mean, I like to eat them. Well, these are just layers. You video.
Okay, here's our nesting boxes. The hen just lays in here, lays her eggs. Then they'll lay down. Once they get up, the egg will actually come down in here. And no poop on it, nothing. that side. Okay. Joan, what do you want to talk about? What do you like your chickens for? I like to feed them, and I like my chickens. So me and Baba like our chickens. So and then our grandpa let us have chickens. We eat farm fresh eggs. We eat fresh eggs. How clean is it? In the nesting boxes that I showed you, that's just a little blood mark, and then the egg is perfectly clean. So, and then we eat it. Yeah. We like farm fresh eggs from our chickens. Yeah.
Why don't you let your boxes back down because it's only 3:30. No, it's not 4:30. They still have time to. Are there any in there? Not yet?
They don't have nesting boxes.
Oh, okay. I told Jalen to leave the nesting boxes down because it's only 3:30. Because it's still early.
This one is just now starting to lay. Now we feed these little chickens and big chickens. So we actually pick them up and play with them.
Go back. You're in my.
So I try to catch some, but I actually can't. So sometimes I can catch them, but when they're fast, I can't catch them.
Yeah.
And I love my chickens.
I know you love them. What's your favorite part about the chickens?
By catching them and loving them.
And loving them. Okay.